So the wearable scene today is really about health and sports and, measuring physical achievements in different ways. And it's quite far from the fashion scene, really. So what we wanted was to explore the possibilities of creating new stuff together with fashion designers and digital developers together.
Sweden, I think, 60% of the population rides their bikes everywhere. One of the big concerns with that is visibility. What we did was basically use this light flex, which is basically printed light. And we've applied this on the inside of sleeves and behind the collars, so it's all very hidden. You are meant to be able to go to a business meeting in this suit, and nobody should see that there is any light effects on you.
We try to add some smart elements to our bestseller shoe design. It's called Rugged Boot. Guidance to help visual impaired people to walk safely. Temperature by adding some smart fabric. Connectivity by sending some information by typing the shoe. Also location. Just amazing to be able to create our vision with technology.
Obviously, with Lao social media, we kind of want to go for a fun and a bit of a kinky, sexy, not your ordinary thing. Then we came to the conclusion that we wanted to do something where you interact the garment with a dating app. We've now done a pair of jeans with 2 metal studs that through your app is going to transfer an electric shock. It's basically telling someone you're shockingly hot. The shock will be obviously around the ass, because that's where the focus of the 2 holes are.
Every year it drowns actually 500 children a day around the world. So we focus on monitoring your children when they get close to water. So we actually made an ankle band that's going to alert when your children falls into the pool or the beach. And it vibrates in the kaftan, so you don't need to have your phone in your hand.
What it's about, it's to create emotional connection, between both parts on important events.
The Climate Cap is a smart product that contains functions like heating and cooling effects. If you're in the desert, you probably want to cool down, and if you're in the Swedish winter, you want to be warm. It's designed to work everywhere.
When I think about the possibility of the smart materials that can feel, they can create temperature change, they can change colors, they can sense your feelings, your pulse, combining with other apps and the cloud capabilities, I feel the Internet of Things for fashion is now the time to boom, and there is an indefinite opportunity for the fashion industry to capture the value and create a better fashion item for the future generation to come.